Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you've landed at the exactly right destination. This is Property Cloud, your favorite online property service. What exactly is an online property service or a portal? This is a PropTech, and this is the place where we help you do virtual property site tours. What exactly are virtual site tours? Well, in this, we will tell you everything about the property that I'm showing you, starting from the land parcel to the number of towers to the sample flats and all that you need to know, including the amenities and the carpet areas as well. And once you've done that, I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you how can you also go ahead with the booking process. And there are also many advantages of taking a property with Property Cloud. A few of them are that, of course, we connect you directly with the developer. And also, because we are doing that, we will also give you the bottommost price and zero brokerage. Now, when I say the bottommost price, what do I mean? That means that we will give you spot payment booking options and also many other offers on your booking with us. Along with that, as I mentioned, that it is zero brokerage. So there will be no brokerage charged to you when you are buying a property with us. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you a lot more here. Let's go. So today I am at TriStar by Shubh Developers, and this project has been constructed in a total land parcel of 4 acres, and it's going to have 3 towers, which will have 36 floors of apartments, which will be 3 and 4 BHK and 8 levels of parking. Every floor will have 4 apartments only. And not just this, let me also tell you something special about the location. This is located very close to Koregaon Park NX and also very close to the passport office. Not just that, from here, the Pune International Airport is just about 15 minutes of driving, and also the Pune railway station is just about 20 to 25 minutes. Shivaji Nagar has some great access to here, and also the metro stations from here, be it the Koregaon Park, Kalyani Nagar, or even the Ramwadi metro station. Everything has very close proximity to this place. Now it's time for me to tell you more about the sample flat, which I'm going to tell you once we enter the sample flat. Stay tuned with me and let's go. And this is the beautiful 1268 square feet apartment. Now you can already see the foyer area, which is of approximately 7.10 by 4.10 square feet. And this allows complete privacy. When you enter the house, there is no direct visibility to your living area. Privacy reminds me, security has also been taken care of. They are providing you with a digital door lock, which can be operated with your fingerprint, with a digital key and also a physical key. Now let me show you the rest of the house. This over here is your living space, which is of approximately 11.6 by 19.1 square feet. That is a really spacious and really huge, but something else adds to the beauty of it, and that is this balcony. Now, if you take a look at the balcony, it is covered from the top, so do not forget to take a look at the roof, which has been made in a wooden finish. The balcony is of course covered from 3 sides and comes with a toughened glass railing, and also the flooring is anti-skid. Now this toughened glass railing and this stainless frame steel has another advantage to it, and that is this invisible grille that you see is made up of a special fiber, which is, of course, it does not break. It is very strong, it is easy to clean and also provides security and is invisible, as I just mentioned. Now let's take a look at the visible things, that is the beautiful house. When I'm talking about visibility, do not miss out on the flooring. These are Kajaria designer tiles which you will get in the house, and here is your kitchen. Now the kitchen is open, that thereby giving it more space to move around, and the space of the kitchen is of approximately 11 by 8.4 square feet. There's good provision for your refrigerators and also an L-shaped granite slab right over here that ends at your vegetable sink. Now let's take a look at the laundry space or the dry utility area. This over here comes with this additional space that you can see, which can be utilized as a storeroom. And then this over here is your dry balcony area, which comes with this granite slab and also anti-skid tiles. किचन तो देख लिया, आप किचन में बना हुआ खाना कहाँ खाएंगे? यहाँ पर this is your dining space, which is of approximately 10.8 by 9.5 square feet. It is an L shape in proximity with your living area, and also the common toilet and wash is placed right next to this. I'm going to show that to you after I show you the first common bedroom. Follow me over here. This kids bedroom, as they call it, the junior suite, is of approximately 10 by 13 square feet, and it again comes with this really big window over here. Half of it is fixed, half of it is a sliding window, and it also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net, but they've again taken care of it by providing you these invisible grills over here as well. Now they start right from the top and they go until the end, making it a secure place for the juniors, because this is the junior suite. And now, as I promised you, I'm going to show you the common wash area, which is right next to the dining area. Let's go and take a look at it. The dining area and the wash basin right next to it over here. And the common washroom, that's your powder room, is also over here, which comes with anti-skid tiles, premium Kohler CP sanitary fittings, and also designer tiles on the wall. (11 by 13 is the size of this guest's bedroom, which comes with an additional attached toilet and wash to it right over here, which also comes with anti-skid tiles and the same Kohler CP sanitary fittings. And yet another similarity is the similar window that we saw over there, the standing balcony feel that of course this one gives you, because half of it is fixed, half of it is sliding, and also the similar invisible grills that you can take a look at. And now from this foyer area, we're going to walk into the master bedroom. Let's go. Welcome to the master bedroom right over here. And this over here is the attached toilet and wash to the master bedroom with anti-skid tiles and also the same similar CP sanitary fittings by Kohler. 11.6 by 14.1 is a very big size for your master bedroom right over here, as you can see it. They're calling it the master suite, and indeed it looks like a suite. Now another reason why they're calling it the master suite, that's right over here, your balcony. And this balcony also comes covered from three sides. It's anti-skid tiles, the ceiling has been given in a wooden finish and a toughened glass railing along with the invisible grill that we just saw. Now that you've seen the complete apartment from inside, I'm sure you want to know a little more, like the booking process and what else is it that you can get if you book a property with us. Stay tuned, I'm going to talk to you about it. Now that you've seen the complete property, you need to know how do we go ahead with the booking process. It's very simple. In the captions, एक link mentioned है जिस पे आपको करना है click, जिससे कि आप register कर पाएंगे अपने आप को हमारे साथ, और फिर हमारे sales person contact करेंगे आपको, जिसके basis पे आपको वो दिखाएंगे the whole property, and this is going to be absolutely with free pickup and drop service. That's right, you heard it. Your dedicated relationship manager who will take you on site visits with absolutely free pickup and drop service and many more advantages. If you're going to book the property with us, all you need to do is very quickly click on the site below and get yourself registered on Property Cloud. Until then, I'm going to see you very soon. Stay tuned with us and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And also, please do not forget to mention in the comments how well did you like this property. Thank you.